Hey guys, this is Debbie, my Pan That Palette update. So I'll insert a picture. I feel like I made really good progress this month. And, let me fix this. Go in. Okay, so here's the palette. It's not, let me just go through, okay, let me go through what's on my eyes right now. I'm wearing the shade just all over the top. That's the only shade on the top. Only that, and then on the bottom, I'm wearing this all over the lower lash line, and then a little bit of this on the outer part of the lower lash line. And that's it from this palette. Oh yeah, and this is my brow shade, and this, I'm wearing this as my blush. But yeah, that's what's on my face right now. So let's go through what's different, or what has progress. Like this one I've been using to set my eye primer. I only set from the crease up, so like crease to brow bone. But yeah, that's how much progress I've made with that. I mean, I was working mostly on this upper corner, and then now I'm gonna work probably on this upper corner, and then I'm gonna go, or maybe I'll work on the bottom. The bottom might be easier to work on first, so maybe I'll work on the bottom. Maybe if I start using the upper and I feel like it's like getting super powdery, I'll use the bottom first. But yeah, and then there was a shade here. It really didn't show up on me at all, so I just crushed it up and put it in my setting powder. So yeah, that's gone. And then let's see, this shade I was using as blush. Like I was like, last time I didn't have any pan on it, and then it like got pan within 1 or 2 uses after that, and then the pan just expanded every single time. So like I stopped using this like halfway through the month or whatever, and I was using like 2 parts this to 1 part like this one. I don't think the pan expanded on this one any bit, but yeah. And then I started using this one a little bit, and the pan did expand on this shade a little bit. I also used this shade as blush a couple times. I mean, it doesn't really look like it used. And then this shade I used for my brows. It looks different. I mean, but it's not as different as it has been the last couple times, because I've been using this brow gel a couple times because I've been like playing with it, and I'm kind of enjoying it. It's like kind of weird, but like I'm enjoying it right now. I'm enjoying trying something new. So I'm still using this most of the time, but I use that every once in a while. So it's like I'm not using it as much as I was, but yeah, I still think, I mean, I'm still trying to just clear up the edges a little bit more, and then I'll probably end up repressing it next month. Like a couple of these I want like repressed a little bit. And then this shade already had pan. Like down here was like barely anything. It was like I burrowed for a pan kind of thing. So then I was like, I want to try to hit pan in the middle. So then I did that. That shade is very light and powdery. It's very soft, so I would need to build it up a lot, and it also like goes through it a lot. So I just went and tried to hit pan on it in the center, and then I connected the two because I didn't want like 2 pans. That's kind of weird in one shade. But yeah, and then I hit pan on this shade, and that was my main goal, is to hit pan on this shade, and I did it. Like I think I did it pretty early on because I haven't used it in a long time. And then this shade, well, technically I hit pan the other day on this shade, but it was tiny baby pan, and now you can actually see the pan. So that's a new pan. So this one and this one is new, and this is new, and then I crushed out that shade and put in my loose powder. So yeah, so those are all the newest shades. I've been really gravitating, like once I was like, oh, I'm gonna use this row, I'm gonna and stuff, I really gravitated towards this red. It doesn't look any different, but I really fell in love with this shade again. So I've mostly been using this. Like, I didn't use either of these two oranges because whenever I wanted to use like an orangey shade, I just used this one because all three of them are just really light and like kind of like washes like of color. They're not really super pigmented or anything, any of the oranges. So yeah, but I've been using the red and the coppery shade that's all over my lid the most. So yeah, so for this next month, I want to work on this row, this purpley row right here. I'm hoping I can hit pan in this purple shade, and then I don't know if I'm going to be able to hit pan on any of the other shades because lots of them are like harder. Like this shade is harder. Like some of these shades are really soft and some are just really hard, and then this shade's like harder. And then this, I really like the shimmer shade, but shimmer shades just take a while to get through because I need to use them wet and stuff. So yeah, but I think I can hit pan on this one. I also want to play around with this shade a little bit with these purples. But yeah, what else was I gonna say? Yeah, but next, I don't think I'm gonna be repressing anything after this, but after my next update, I'll probably repress stuff. So I'll probably repress my brow shade, and then I kind of want to repress these two warmer like blush shades together over here, and I want to repress these two together. And then I think I kind of want, after I do that, I think I want to like move this shade over, like I want to move these shades over so this whole row is empty, and then this row is empty, and then this row I want to kind of move the shades over here, and just so that it's easier for me to count. And now I was like, I don't know what my goal was. I was just trying to get my use up for this, and but now I actually have a goal. I want to hit pan on 75 of the shades, like have it be empty or just a little bit of pan on 75, because this is a 100 shade palette, and I think 75 is a pretty good percentage. I mean, 75% is like pretty good. So once I do that, I'm done. Probably once I hit pan on 75 shades, I'm gonna call this done, and then I can just throw this out and then move on to some different palettes and just use other things. So yeah, I'm really happy with how this is coming along, and I've really just realized that I can do so much with so little, and it's just really fun. So yeah, I'll just hold it up like this so you can like see. I think I have almost 60 now. I think I have around 55 or 60 pans in total. I think it's more around 60. Like, it's either 55 or like 60, somewhere in between that number. That's what I have right at this moment. So I don't have like a heap ton more to hit pan on before it's like. But right now I'm just try to focus on like the ones I know I want to hit pan, and then I'll just figure out what other ones I want to hit pan on as it goes along. But yeah, once I hit 75 pans, I'm gonna move on and be done with this. Because I've had this for a long time. This was like my first eyeshadow palette, and it really didn't get a lot of love until like just 2 years ago. Like, it was like only touched in like 5 shades before then, and then now it's just, there's so much use in it, and I feel really happy that it has gotten the love it has this past like 2 years. So yeah, so hopefully you guys like this video, and if you're doing a pan that palette, comment down below and I'll go check you out, because I try to check things out and stuff. But yeah, hopefully you're doing good, and I'll see y'all in another video, hopefully. Bye.